Everything, unless we get the ball back. Okay, Franky, get the ball back.
All right, clock's ticking, y'all.
That one might be though.
Yeah, let's keep scoring.
Yeah, who's keeping score?
All right, I'll keep scoring.
Orlando's keeping score. He's good with numbers.
So behind that line is
20 minutes.
Go under here.
He was my guy.
Was that Chris? Or no?
I was on my own team, but how many points did you win?
16. First to 16 or 20 minutes.
I smell an upset.
Big John, set us up. I don't play this sport. I don't play this sport?
This court.
You should have the designers do the board. What the heck? It's okay, Frank. That was a little deep, Frankie. It was a little deep.
Gets out a lot. Of course, it's gonna be on YouTube and everything.
Oh. Too much deep.
Get that a lot too.
There we go. On the board.
Put that knee on that, man.
Come on, rebound, good read.
Yeah, so which designer did the court?
That's that waiver. That's what you want. Aaron, do you use your ruler?
You sure it's not bola? I'm sure it's bola.
Punto. 2, 3, somos una pelota.
Pelotazo.
It's like balón or coco.
Out on Aaron, out on Aaron.
Who's Eric?
If he does have some. Who's keeping score?
I am. 3, 2. Oh.
Hey, I have questions for you
Pay
later.
attention.
You guys.
It's your boy's team.
Okay.
All right, 3-3.
So, the mailman.
What is it? 3-3.
Frankie Malone. See, I know things.
Which is this guy's called? Great, man.
Yeah.
Like this bike's so weird on the inside.
No, that's Will Chamberlain.
I was gonna say, I'm sure he hates me.
There you go, 4-3. 4-3.
Get over there. I know. You can't have hate without love.
Listen, I'm sure he wouldn't be in a position he's in if he hadn't asking any questions asked all the time by people who have no idea what's going on.
Whoa! Thank goodness for waivers. Yeah, you like?
There was a lot of technique that went into it. It was more like an art process.
Smart idea.
Come on. Yeah, you don't remember when you told me that? Yeah.
That wasn't a rebound.
5-3.
5-3 en favor de TBD.
Could you say it in French?
God, stay up.
I can't even recognize it because it's so freaking hard.
Who's Drew?
Who, Andrew?
Yeah.
Like, he be hanging out like on these boats in the sun all day.
I know, right?
I told him earlier.
Is that a number? What's the number?
Mike Conley, let's take it easy.
Orlando, what's the score?
6-4.
6-4.
Hey, you gonna be here on Friday? You want to do this?
I'll be here. I
Yeah.
think my camera has enough, my phone has enough memory to record it. I'll Snapchat it. It's a 30-second echo. All right, game over, man. Game over.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
All right, I'm ready. No go.
Yeah. Whoa.
You guys gotta stop, man. Stop, man. I gotta stop, man. You gotta stop.
Call a game?
Yeah.
No?
Someone's gonna crack their head up. That wave is not gonna protect anything.
Hey, call it, Walt.
I would call it.